Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to be showing you how to make some earrings out of faux leather using the Cricut machine. As you can see, I have already cut out the earring designs and now I'm just trimming up the edges because there's just a little bit of frizz still on the earrings. And next I'm going to be punching holes into the earrings. This is a 2-layer earring, so I like to have them both layers on top of each other and then push the hole ends, that way it is even. Now I'm going to be using the pliers to turn the end of the hook, the little hoop on the end of the hook, so that way when I place them on the hoop of the earrings will not turn sideways. They will stay straight forward.